And welcome back, diggers. This tutorial we're going to do a walkthrough on how to set up Feed the Beast for the game Feed the Beast Lite 3 so that you can log on to this new server. This new server is set up to run Feed the Beast Lite 3, which is it's still a mod pack. We're running 70 mods, so about half of the Direwolf 20 mod packs, but is designed for computers with a little less memory and a little less processing power, so the kids can still get on, still enjoy some mods, and still play with their friends, but not quite so power intensive. So we're going to do a walkthrough. We're going to install Feed the Beast, and I'm going to show you how to log on to the server. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do, same as before, you're going to download the Feed the Beast launcher. So you're going to go to your web browser here. You're going to type in FTB, just FTB. Excuse me there. Type in FTB into your web browser, hit enter, and you're going to find the feedthebeast.com. You're going to go there. What you're going to do here is you're going to download the launcher. So here it says Feed the Beast launcher. You're going to want to download the stable version where it says stable. This is for Windows, the red button, Linux, and Mac. So I have Mac. I'm going to go ahead and hit Mac. You can see it goes down here to my download folder, and it's also up here in my web browser, and you'll see when it's done it kind of bounces. And in here you'll see this Feed the Beast icon. You're going to drag that to your desktop here, and from there you can go ahead and launch the installer. Now I'm not going to install the program because I already have it, but I am going to start it up and walk you through how to find Feed the Beast and the right version. So here we go. We'll go ahead and start it up right now. Doesn't take too long to start up. Oh, excuse me, I already had it started. So here is Feed the Beast, the launcher. You can see several different mod packs. You're going to want to scroll down past Direwolf 20 and Feed the Beast Lite 3. That's the one you're going to want. And we are on version 131, I believe, or 130 is the version we're on right now. And 1.4 and 1.5 just aren't quite up to speed yet. They're still having some issues with the newest ones. So we're going to be on 1.30 for the next 6 to 7 months. You'll go ahead and go to options. Here you want to adjust your maximum RAM to about 3/4 of what your total RAM is. So I have 8, I'm at 6. If it's showing less RAM here, same as before on the other launcher, you're going to want to click the spot. There should be a button right here that says Update Java, and that should allow you to utilize all of your RAM. So if there's an issue with that, shoot me a message and I can help you get it figured out. So we'll go back to the mod pack tab. We have Feed the Beast Lite 3, we have version 3, and if you haven't installed this before, you're going to want to come down here and going to create a profile. And you're simply going to enter your email address and your password for your Mojang account for vanilla Minecraft. And once that's done, all of this looks like this. We're going to go ahead and hit launch. Oh, select profile and hit launch. Now, one of the things I like to cover while we're waiting for everything to load up on the game is I want to talk about why we use Feed the Beast, and that's just simply because it's a group of modders that get together, and what they do is they make sure that their mods work together and that they're all compliant, and they just really have a good gameplay experience. The other part of that is because they're a group working together, you're going to avoid all of the viruses and those types of things from random mods that you can pick up from the internet. So stable, they work together, it's designed around, just an easy experience, but you also eliminate the issues with downloading viruses on your computer with the mods. The other thing I want to talk about really quick is the etiquette for the servers. We really want to have a server where the kids can play and just have really free reign in the world, and with that becomes a little extra responsibility of the players to not grief and not destroy each other's stuff, not take stuff, and also the chat is open for the kids to chat, where they can type in words back and forth, and just want to confirm that that everyone's on the same page with the language and making sure the language is appropriate. And we moderate it, but it's really up to the parents to make sure the kids understand that we have a pretty tight policy on the language especially. So, and the grieving too. There's nothing worse than having your stuff blown up by somebody. So we just want to make sure that you review that with your kids, let them know. Once you get Feed the Beast Lite 3, at this point, what you need to do is you need to message me. And what I'll do is I'll give you the address for the server. Once I give you the address, you'll come to multiplayer, and you can see I've already put it in here. But you'll go down here to add server, and you can call it whatever you want. But then the numbers I give you will go right here as server address. It'll be several numbers, colon, and then a port number, which is 5 additional numbers. You'll type those in and you'll hit done. And when that happens, it'll show up right here, and you should get a green check mark that says 67 mods present that you can join, and you then can join the server. Just click join and you'll log into the server, and we'll go from there. So the kids will be able to have their home, same as we did on the Direwolf 20. We'll have houses spread out, so everyone's kind of spread out, and they'll be able to start playing on the server. So that's it, and I appreciate you guys listening, and hopefully if you don't have any problems, if you do, just give me a quick message on Facebook and we'll get it taken care of.